boys and girls. For our science lesson today, we are going to be learning about the planet Mercury. The planet Mercury is the first planet that we learn about when we are learning about the solar system. Mercury is the planet that is closest to the sun. The name Mercury came from a Roman messenger. The planet Mercury is 750 degrees Fahrenheit. That is hotter than all of our ovens, microwaves, and stoves could ever get. That is very, very hot. So today we are going to be learning about the planet Mercury, and I can't wait. I am so excited to learn with you today. Boys and girls, for today's lesson, I am sitting in one of our blow-up chairs in our room. I am sitting across from my desk near the science cubbies. So today, like we said, we are learning about the planet Mercury. So I'm going to be reading us some stories about Mercury, and I also have a special surprise to show you guys. Let's get started. So for part of our lesson today, we are going to be reading just a part of our book called The Planets. And today, as you guys saw from our video, we are learning about the planet Mercury. So let's get started. We're just going to read a part of this book today. So chapter 1 says, what is a planet? What is a planet? Take a look at this picture. You see the moon, right? So there is the moon. I'll bring it closer. Here is the moon. But there is something else glowing in the night sky. These tiny dots. Those tiny dots of lights are called planets. So in this picture, we can see the planet Mars, Jupiter, and Venus. But those lights by the moon, those are planets. Mercury is called an inner planet because it is part of the planets that are closest to the sun. So this is a picture of Mercury. Our planet. The planet Mercury is closest to the sun. It gets super hot during the day. The surface of Mercury is covered with craters, just like the moon. This is a picture of the planet Mercury. This is a picture of Mercury. Well, this is more of a drawing, because this is a cartoon. But it says that there is a crater. A crater looks like a bowl-shaped hole on the planet. So, in our postcard that our character writes to his uncle, it says, Dear Uncle Freddy, guess the planet. 1, it's closest to the sun. 2, it has the shortest year, only 88 Earth days, and a year here on Earth is 365 days. And number 3, it has no water, no air, and no moons. We could not live on Mercury because we need water and air and the moon. If you said Mercury, you're right. Also, it is burning hot on the sunny side and freezing cold on the dark side. Goodbye for now. And then he drew a picture on his postcard of Mercury, and it says, I'm hot and cold at the same time. So in our story, The Planets, we saw that Mercury looks like this. It looks almost kind of a brown color and kind of dark. And in our special surprise for our lesson today, I have more planet slime. So if you remember when we learned about the sun, how I had the big ball of slime, well, in the planet pack I got, this was what they gave me for Mercury. So if we hold it up, we can see that the picture of Mercury is kind of a brown color, and the slime they gave me is kind of almost a greenish color. So what we are going to do, we are going to open up this slime. Ooh! Well, we will open it up. and we can look at it. Ooh, it's so slimy, and it's kind of green and white. Let's take it out. So, this slime has green and white. It also has some sparkles in it that I can see. It feels very cold, and it's very, very squishy. So when we learned about the planet Mercury today, we were told that it is very, very hot. So of course, I could not touch Mercury. And it did say that part of it was very, very cold. But I don't think it's as cold as this slime is. But this is the slime that I was given for our Mercury slime. And each planet that we learn about, I have a slime for it as well. And they are different colors, and they might feel different and look different, maybe even smell different. It smells pretty good. So this is the slime for the planet Mercury. I'm going to put it back in its safe casing. And there it is. There is a slime for the planet Mercury. So cool! See what else we can learn about the planet Mercury today.